In today's world, artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming increasingly powerful and accessible. This is great news for creatives, as AI can be used to create stunning designs that would be impossible to create by hand. In this video, I will show you how to utilize various AI platforms to create your own designs. I will cover platforms that are both free and paid, so you can find one that fits your budget. I will also tell you some examples where you can use your designs, such as on t-shirts, cups, and other merchandise. By the end of this video, you will know how to use AI to create your own designs and make money passively while you sleep. What are AI platforms? AI platforms are software applications that use artificial intelligence to create designs. They can be used to create a variety of designs, including logos, illustrations, and even 3D models. There are many different AI platforms available, both free and paid. Some of the most popular AI platforms include 1. Adobe Illustrator. This is a paid AI platform that is used by professional designers. 1. It offers a wide range of features, including the ability to create vector graphics, text, and effects. Canva. This is a freemium AI platform that is perfect for beginners. It offers a wide range of templates and features, making it easy to create professional-looking designs. 1. Design Bold. This is a paid AI platform that offers a wide range of features, including the ability to create vector graphics, text, and effects. 1. It also offers a free trial. 2. Vector. This is a free AI platform that offers a wide range of features, including the ability to create vector graphics, text, and effects. 3. Sketch. This is a paid AI platform that is used by professional designers. 3. It offers a wide range of features, including the ability to create vector graphics, text, and effects. Sketch AI platform. How to use AI platforms to create designs. Using AI platforms to create designs is relatively simple. Once you have chosen an AI platform, you will need to create an account and log in. Then, you can start creating your design by selecting a template or starting from scratch. Once you have created your design, you can use the AI platform's features to add text, effects, and other elements. You can also export your design in a variety of formats, including PNG, JPEG, and SVG. Where to use your designs. Once you have created your design, you can use it in a variety of ways. You can print it on t-shirts, mugs, and other merchandise. You can also use it as a logo for your business or website. You can also sell your designs on online marketplaces like Redbubble and Society6. This is a great way to make money passively while you sleep. Quotes from people to watch or videos to use to learn how to do this. There are many people who have created successful businesses using AI platforms. Here are a few quotes about print on demand. I used AI platforms to create my designs, and it was the best decision I ever made. I was able to create professional-looking designs without any prior design experience. Craig Jenkins. AI platforms are the future of design. 3. They are making it possible for anyone to create stunning designs, regardless of their skill level. Steve Evans. If you want to make money passively while you sleep, then you need to start using AI platforms to create designs. It's the easiest way to make money online. Charlotte Stevenson. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI platforms are a powerful tool that can be used to create stunning designs. They are both affordable and easy to use, making them a great option for beginners and experienced designers alike. If you are looking to create your own designs, I encourage you to use an AI platform. It is a great way to save time and money, and it can help you create professional-looking designs that you can be proud of. I also encourage you to check out the quotes from people who have used AI platforms to create successful businesses. They can provide you with inspiration and motivation to start using AI platforms yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Your support is really appreciated.